what it's truly like to start your day with a literal wake-up call from nature? Forget your gentle alarms and sunrise apps. Get ready to experience mornings like never before as we dive headfirst into the authentic, often hilarious, and surprisingly heart-wide world of waking up to a rooster's roar. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The sun is up, the sky is bright, and the farm's awake with you. Mr. Rooster stands so proud, crowing high and strong and loud. Wake up, world, it's time to play. The morning sun says, yay! Farmer Pig rolls out of bed, tips his hat upon his head. Thanks, Mr. Rooster, for the call. The farm's awake, one and all. Little chicks all peep and cheer. Good morning, friends, we're happy here. They flap their wings, they hop around their tiny feet and make joyful sound. Down the barn, the cows all moo. Mr. Rooster, we hear you too. They stretch and munch on morning hay, ready to start a brand new day. Bay! The horses neigh, the ducks go quack, the dogs bark loud to answer back. It's music time across the land, a farmyard band so big and grand. Mr. Rooster flaps with pride, his shiny feathers glow outside. Rise and shine, he loves to say, every single sunny day. Farmer Pig smiles, what a crew! Each one knows just what to do. He hums a tune, he claps his hands to match the rooster's morning plans. Bay! Over the hills, the kittens yawn, the sleepy sheep stretch on the lawn. Mr. Rooster grins, you're late. The farm clock says it's 8:30. The ducks dive into the pond, the geese swim close and sing along. Every splash, each feather's gleam, turns the morning to a dream. The rooster hops on the old red gate, sings so loud he just can't wait. Wake up, sun, shine bright for me. Let's light up the farm with glee. The farmer's kids come running fast. Mr. Rooster's song is such a blast. They laugh and dance, their boots go stomp right through the dewy meadow swamp. Now breakfast smells fill up the air, pancakes, milk, and bread to share. Thanks, Mr. Rooster, for the start. You wake us all with joy and heart. And as noon comes near, he takes a rest, his job is done, he did his best. He closes his eyes calm and still, dreaming of the next day's thrill. When sunset glows with pink and red, Mr. Rooster lifts his head. One more crow before the night, to end the day just right. Now stars appear across the sky, the farm sleeps slow as owls fly by. Good night, says Rooster, soft and true. Tomorrow I'll wake all of you.